What is going on, my boo? It is your girl STACIEWO. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today, honey, we're going to be busting it up, planning some makeup. You already see that I have my base down. Y'all already seen me do my face before, so don't even be going into it like, why is your face already done? Because today, honey, we're only going to be focusing on eyes. So is you ready? So what is going on, boo? How was you guys' weekend? My weekend was real good. My husband's birthday actually was Sunday. So we went out to a museum, an art museum, and we just chilled and I cooked for him and the kids, you know what I'm saying? And we just had a lot of fun, just chilling, you know? And I'm gonna just run through these eyebrows really quick. Now I'm going to be jumping real quick into the Fenty Beauty. This is in the color 420. So excited to give you what the girls been wanting, honey, okay? It's like, no, I play too much. When I really want to get into like some real blending, I do use my P. Louise because it just allows your shadow to blend really good. I really like using this. The first thing that we're going to be jumping into is Reckless. We're jumping into the Stacey Marie palette. I love her so much. Pushing that product just like this into your crease. I noticed that this helps me pick up the product more and it's more product that lands on my eye. I'm going to jump into Mood. Taking Mood and doing the same thing. I'm going to jump into this Funky. And I'm gonna take Funky and then just blend Funky right out. So now since I have that down, we're going to be jumping right into Make Waves. And we're going to take Make Waves and we're going to blend that right at the top. So now since I have this down, I'm going to be taking this Danessa Myrick. This is in the color Lift and I'm actually going to cut my crease with this, okay? I think I'm gonna jump into this Mima Mitchell palette. I think I wanna jump into this white and it's called Walter. So now I wanna take this Marmalade, this right here. It's like a tangerine orange. Put this right here. So now I'm going to jump into Sunburn, this right here, mixing the colors in just like that. All right, so now since we have that down, I'm going to take this blue. This is the Nitro Mima Mitchell, and I'm going to be doing a wing. And now since I have that down, I'm gonna jump right into Mood and I'm gonna stamp that right where that blue is at. I'm gonna jump right back into that Make Waves and I'm gonna just blend that out. I'm gonna take that Mood and I'm gonna bring this right down close, bringing this right under my waterline. I'm gonna touch Funky right under there. I don't even want Reckless. I'm gonna take Soft Spot. No, I'm gonna take Make Waves, sorry. And I'm gonna just blend that down. And then I'm gonna take that Pep Talk. Look at that eye. Oh yes, baby. Y'all, this eye, I haven't did a cut crease in like so long. I'm so hype about this eye, like seriously. This look was actually inspired by this girl. Her name is Lord Cha. She is the bomb with cut creases and stuff. So this is definitely inspired by her. That looks so freaking good. Just real quick, we're gonna do a highlight. Ooh, yes, that looks so nice. Oh man. So we have this other eye down, honey. I had also went and jumped in and put on some rhinestones. Now I did not know that it wasn't recording, but I did not get that. So I'm so sorry that you guys didn't see me do that. But we're going to be jumping back into highlight. You already know. Give what the girls is giving. Ooh, yes. Like get somebody up here in the middle. You know I love doing my middle. And then getting on my nose. I want to jump into blush really quick, and we're going to be jumping into the Mima Mitchell, and this is in the Mango Daiquiri. I'm running out of this. I gotta get me some more, but I love this orange blush. And we're going to be jumping into the Trendsetter liner. Y'all know this is my shot. And then I'll just take some of this long crime. So I'm gonna go into this Save Your Tears by Tiana Teller and MAC. Put that right over top. I had to definitely bring you guys back the cut creases and the shadow. You know what I'm saying? I had to bring that back to you. You dig me? So if you are feeling this look, don't forget to smash that like button and also leave me a comment down below, my boo. Also, my boo, if you are still watching me and you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for, boo. You better hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell button too, because you do not want to miss my upcoming videos, boo, period. So with that being said, I love you, boo, so much. Thank you, boo, for watching me and watching my growth. You dig me? I love you, period. Don't forget to keep God first, and I will see you, boo, in my next video. Mwah.